What's good? Studio Draxi here with Draxis Dashboard, which is a productivity tool that I just made. I was making it for myself, and then I was like, you know what? This would be really cool if I just published it and gave it to everybody for free. And then the people that can really make good use of it just get it. Really, it's kind of like, I don't know, I think there's a lot of pressure on small businesses, solo studios, indie artists. A lot of pressure to like perform and be up to date. And a lot of these like, I don't even know what you call them. These other like fake companies are starting to like flood the market, and they're doing this stuff with like robots. So I was like, you know what? We need to make something to combat this for organic artists and indie developers and people that actually really want to work on their stuff. But maybe they're just like heavy ADHD and they can't quite focus on things. And they're like, man, I just can't keep up with socials. And this is meant to help those people. This is meant to be here for the solo brand who's trying to start up and do things organic and just doesn't have the tools to fight the current state of the world, I guess, in the most philosophically outreaching way. So let's start at links here. Anything you put in, just give it a name, put the link in, it'll end up here. Um, Main thing with this, you can copy them. You can copy them right out of here. So anytime you like need a link, just grab it and say, okay, there's my Twitter, done. Puts it in for you. When you fill these out, it then populates the homepage with them. So you get these little lights on the dashboard, and each one is timed differently based on the platform. I didn't put all the platforms in there, but I got a pretty good amount of them. So trying to get this all figured out and decide what I want to do with things and look up, what would be a good posting time organically. So for me, it's like I actually just did a Twitter post, but I didn't update this. It was an automated post, so I can check that off. So then this will go to a nice bright green and it'll slowly fade to red again. And then it tells me, oh, you haven't checked in on Discord either. So then I think, oh, well, someone might have messaged me on Discord. I should be checking that. So all I have to do is pull up Discord, check the box off, and I say, okay, everything's up to date. Next thing I'm looking at is Instagram starting to turn a little bit yellow. So if I'm busy, it's like just let it ride. It's fine. But if I'm got some free time and I'm like, what should I be doing? What should I be working on? I look at the dashboard. That's it. So easy. It's a beautiful thing for that. Current task. If you have something you're really working on for the day, you just type it in, hit lock, and it locks the dashboard so you can't change anything. And then you can't clear it when it's locked. So super nice. I like that. Important times. You can save 4 times here, whatever format you like. You say, I'm going to do military time, 2300, and then stuff. And then you hit add. Beautiful. It just puts it in. It doesn't ask like, oh, well, why'd you use this format? Or, oh, you got to use CST or whatever you want to put, you put. And it's good. We could do that too. We could say, we'll go, let's do a weird one. Let's do like a 0800 CST and then say lunch. And then, that's it. It just works because it doesn't really matter. You just put whatever format you're comfortable with. That's what it's built for. Intuitive, right? So anyways, quick notes. It's just a post-it note. You want to type something here, it stays here. More text. I misspelled it. There we go. Now it's saved. I can close the dashboard, open it up. It's going to be there. It's just part of the save file now. So anything you want to put on those, it's just your little post-it note to use for whatever you need. Post ideas. You go through here, pretty basic. Put an idea in, select the media type, media idea if you have a specific type of video or picture style or something. And then you just add idea, it populates. Once these are posted, you can click on posted and it turns it into like a 50% opacity. I might have went with 40, I forget, but anyways, you delete it when you're completely done with it. Let's say you wanted to look at it later and say, well, let's make another post based off that. And then once you got it populated, you just delete and it's good to go. Other tab, it's just all the credits for right now. And then the help tab. Let's say you're making a post and you're kind of like, I just don't know what to do, what I should be focusing on, or I'm not sure how to use hashtags, but I have like a general idea on like what I've seen other people do, and I'm not sure how many to put. That's the whole point. Just put some notes in here to help people. This whole thing is just like read through it. If you get stuck, read through. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it. Beautiful. I'm happy with it because I'm already using it myself. And that's what like really tells me that it's strong is like I'm using it and I'm like, oh, this is great. I'm like, damn it, I need a link. Oh, right. I have links in here. Perfect. So I'm trying to build it into something that everybody can find use and helps people. The main thing because it helps me. So if there's anything you guys want to see added or something that's broken or something that needs fixing or whatnot, just let me know. It's free for everybody. There's no ads, no subscription, no login, completely offline. So all your ideas live on your computer. All your ideas are on your end. None of it connects to anything. So nobody's going to see your stuff. No one's going to look at your post ideas. It doesn't connect to anything. So I don't even collect customer data, none of that. No cookies, nothing. So, yep, that's it. Again, if you got any questions, reach out. You go to the other tab, Discord, always open. You guys can join in. You can ask questions. You can talk to me. My DMs are always open. I don't know why people are always so closed down. I DM people and it goes nowhere so many times, and I'm like, they just don't look, or maybe they just got so many fans. Maybe that's what it is. But I'm completely open here, so hit me up. All right, take care, guys.